Hey guys, it is Marianne from Thrive, and today in my tip of the day, I am sharing one of my favorite tips about working in Microsoft Word for those of us who struggle with tables. People talk to me all the time about tables and how they don't do what they want them to do, and it's really complicated, and they'd rather just do it in Excel. Well, guess what? You can have the best of both worlds inside Word. So, in your document, when you are looking to add a table, I might want to pop one here. Typically, we would go to the Insert tab and Table, and you would draw it out this way. So, I might decide I want one that is 3 by 3 or 3 by 4, and that's going to build it. But if we go down to this button here, this Excel worksheet or spreadsheet, it's going to put in an actual Excel sheet. And on top of that, I've got all of my formulas, functions, data options that I would normally have inside Excel. So I can create conditional formatting and cell styles. I can use all of my functions and formulas. And I can do all of that from Word. So as an example, I'm just going to click in it here. Make sure that one's open. So it's 100, 250, 400, 700. So I can now sum these columns. So I'm doing all of the things I would normally do in Excel, like so. Then I might decide that these all need to be currency, bada bing. I can drag this in and out, and what we can see is the finished cells will be what we see on the screen. So I'm going to bring that up like that. And if I click out, look at that. If I click back in, I can drag it down a bit. So we'll drag it. It's what you see, what you can see on the screen. So if I can see it, it should appear perfectly fine. I can format it, I can edit it, but it is a live Excel sheet, so it has all of that functionality. If this is something that would make working with tables so much easier for you, particularly if you're doing things with data, then I would absolutely recommend getting in and getting comfortable with that as an option in your documents going forward.